Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to announce that Michał sent me the first package of upgrades for this 2024 Rc Rally season, which are the front cover that is placed under the servo, and we use it for, let's say, prevent the dirt from the front wheels to get inside the electronics, and he has modified the upper part of the chassis that's a 3D printed place, and it serves as the battery holding on the left side and as the engine holder on the right side. So now I'm going to replace the old components with these new ones, and while I'm replacing them, I'm going to explain you what Michał did in order to improve these parts and, let's say, upgrade our Rc Rally model. Okay, let's start to work. Now that the servo with his carbon plate is not anymore attached to the chassis, we can remove the old cover. And I'm going to explain you which are the differences with the new one. So this is the old cover, and here on the right we have the new one. The main change between these two covers is that in this one here we are missing a bit of, let's say, plastic. As you can see, this red tube, when it's passing through the cover, is sticking out from here. Meanwhile, in the old cover, it's completely covered, because imagine that here we have the servo saver, and this is the, let's say, connector that it's attached to the servo saver and to the steering arms. When it moves left and right this way, is limited by this plastic because it's touching in this way. Meanwhile, in this new version, while we are steering, there is more space in order to move. In fact, as you can notice, the aluminum standoffs are now the limiting part. You can say that in this way we have saved a bit of few millimeters. I'm almost done mounting the first of the two upgrades. Now, as you can notice, there is much space for these components to move left and right. Perfect. The next step in the chassis is going to try to improve the steering block, because it's because of them that I have a limited steering angle, but that's something that I'm going to do in the future, because doing too much things at the same time is not that much good, because it can lead to do some mistakes. And now I'm going to have 3 rallies for 3 different weekends. Okay, let's switch to this part and let's replace it. Okay, so which is the difference? Here we have this, let's say, step that allows us to decrease the height of the battery of 1 millimeter. So in this way, let's say we are lowering just a bit the center of gravity of this RC model. So, as I said, now it's possible to mount the battery lower of 1 millimeter. I've just installed these two upgrades. One is, let's say, giving me the possibility to increase the movement of the arm that is linking the servo to the steering arms, and the other one, it's allowing me to lower the position of the battery of almost, let's say, 1 millimeter. So, two small upgrades that of course they are not doing the difference alone, but including them together with all the small details they put in the chassis, they are going, let's say, to help me to increase the overall performances of this RC model. Okay guys, thank you for staying with me till now. Remember to leave a like and subscribe in order to support my channel, and keep the finger crossed for my RC Rally season. See you next week for a new video. Ciao!